Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Casper Labs, long-term game with Casper. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an attractive $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let's see what's happening with Casper in real time, the official handles and the community. Guys, I saw this really interesting video from Crypto Charged over here. Long game with Casper. Stay the course. So before we get into this, guys, we're going to be looking at this in a moment. I haven't seen it. Seems interesting, but let's first go and check out what's new with Casper official handle. Anything new for us? Okay, so this is 1 hour ago. Trace Tech by Hamov is a cost-efficient, easily integrated solution designed to meet zero deforestation and traceability standards. Powered by the Casper blockchain, it offers tamper-proof data storage, ensuring secure, immutable, and verifiable certification data. Look at this, guys. Decentralized, immutable, permissionless. Permissionless means, guys, obviously, that no third party is involved. It is decentralized, immutable. No one can basically block it, or it is secure, basically immutable. It cannot be changed. Internal, external layers. Awesome. Cool. Hamov is integrated with the Casper blockchain, guys, offering tamper-proof data storage. Awesome. Are you a true Casper fan? Complete simple tasks and earn Casper. Keros Tree is Casper's new data structure designed to optimize zero-knowledge proofs for ZKVMs. Learn how it accelerates blockchain verification and boosts performance for developers working in zero-knowledge environments. Awesome. Catch a sneak peek of Killer Whales TV Season 2. From DeFi to NFTs, the new season is coming with the best projects across Web3. Got something groundbreaking? Pitch your idea for Season 3. Guys, if you do not know, Hello One has worked on Killer Whales. It had the first season ongoing, and it has partnered with Casper. So the Season 2 will come soon. This is cool. Do check out Hello One if you're interested in Killer Whales as well. Okay. Yeah, Gracie Bitgat, CEO of Bitgat, was recently featured in Forbes, where she shared her experience as a judge on Killer Whales. Gracie reveals what she looks for in a perfect pitch and how founders can make a lasting impression on investors. Cool. Let's see anything from the community, then we will come on and watch this video together. Casper is carving out a bottom on the daily. It won't take much to flip the EMA ribbon bullish. Only worry is the rather obvious fact that there will be one more liquidity sweep before US elections, in my opinion. We survived that. We're set. Hopefully, guys, hopefully. Casper update, the multiple EMAs are in motion. Red establishing dominance, orange close behind, sell signals active. The impact may be shallow. Retest of 0.01239, support base of descending triangle. If that breaks, test around 0.01229. Still, setup leans more bullish than bearish. So although Casper has really plummeted in recent times, guys, now I think people are getting a bit optimistic for it, a bit bullish for it, that they believe that the bottom has been set, the 1 cent being a crucial level. I think Casper can easily hit $1 if all their projects launch without a hitch. We're excited to share that we've received a new delegation of 1.5 million Casper. Our goal is to reach the top 50 Casper delegators and strengthen the Casper ecosystem. A huge thank you for your support. It is because of you that we're making progress. Awesome. Okay. Look at this, guys. Top projects by development activity growth. We're surprised, guys. Aren't you surprised? Plus 400%. Here we have Casper, a chain that people say that do not have any activity growth. Okay, development activity growth, by the way. Anyways, guys, now let's see what Crypto Charged have to say. Okay, it is easy to get swayed by short-term fluctuations, but remember, we're in this for the long haul. With Casper, while price dips can be disheartening, they also present unique opportunities for dollar cost averaging.
Very quick to change up your game plan and start thinking about, okay,
today X buffering and streaming has been a bit low, on the low side. I do not know why.
we're in this for the long game, all right? I know you guys are very quick to change up your game plan and start thinking about, okay, maybe I should just do a short-term trade on my Casper. It's like, you've been buying Casper for almost 3 years now, and you're going to start changing up your mind. Team, I don't know about Maddie here. Maddie will probably share it at some point in this video, but I'm here for the long run, okay? Casper, in my portfolio, in the context of my portfolio, is like my smaller crypto, all right? It hasn't been around multiple cycles like XRP, like HBAR, and some of these other, cryptos that have seen multiple bull runs. And like Zcash too, that I think we'll discuss today as well, surprisingly, because, you guys don't like Zcash, but one of you guys asked. Anyways, but that's off topic. But team, we are here for the long term with Casper, right? And I know, we want to be transparent here, but we are here for the long run. And so you'll rarely hear us complain about Casper. We do in our own time, before we record the shows on the website, we'll be like, damn, look at Casper price today. But as it relates to this show, we're not going to sit here. We all know Casper price is depressing, right? But when we see like these weekends where Casper price is picking up, we'll start talking about that, being a little bit more positive. But just don't think we're just letting that go, right, Matt? We're not just like sitting here and being like, hey guys, Casper price is bad. Don't look at us. Like, no, we're honest here. We know Casper price is bad.
Definitely, you got to face the music, when it comes to it, and I think that's one of the most important things that we have a responsibility to do here as educators in this space, is to make sure that we're being honest for our audience and being realistic about what's happening here with Casper. So, being DCA into Casper forever, you're still in the red. I understand that, and I think sometimes too, we always
wait, Matt, we didn't read the question yet. I was just ranting. Sorry, I was just ranting about. I was like a little pretext before we get into the questions here.
I'm done. I'm so sorry.
Arnold 89546 says, I've been DCAing Casper forever and I'm still in the red. What should I do?
Yes, so now we have the question out, so I don't sound like this idiot who's just talking about an off-topic situation here. All right, so we've been DCAing into Casper for a while. Me too. So 50% of my total DCA budget is going into Casper right now, and that's me putting my money where my mouth is. If you guys go watch the Consistent Investor Strategy on our website, this is the exact situation I talk about. We basically have 4 different ways to deploy your capital, whether it be DCA, limit orders, or a combination of both. And we also have, the concentrated versus the more blanket approach when it comes to allocating your dollars. So when I look at my portfolio, maybe there's other things that I want to see maybe a larger amount of coins with, but the average is I would be raising my average, or I'm basically adding at my current market. And that's not as effective as looking at my bags and getting, okay, for example, APA3 and Casper right now are down pretty bad, and lowering those averages is going to be more effective and give me more flexibility down the road. So first of all, DCAing into Casper right now and still being in the red, it's still frustrating. I don't know what your average is. Maybe it's 3 cents, maybe it's 3.5, because we were up there in the 2.5 to 3 cent region for a long time. But assume that your average is somewhere in there right now. I would say the number one thing is don't be concerned about you being in the red, right? Like, even if you look at the red right now and you look, okay, how much do I have to be up to break even? It's probably not a huge move right now. You look at the market cap for Casper, it's about 150 million. That's really not a very big market cap. It's a very, very small cap. So when you look at some of the factors that are associated with small caps, and like specifically the 2% depth. So when you look at an exchange, it'll tell you what how much money it takes to make price move up 2% and down 2%. So right now, based on the exchange, anywhere from 50 to 150 grand to make price move up 2%. That's really not a huge amount of money to make price move, right? Now, over time, as market cap gets bigger, that depth will become more, and of course, it takes more money to move price. That's just kind of the nature of it. But right now, it doesn't take a lot of money to make price move higher. So for me, I'm just going to continue to DCA and lower my average here. Once Casper's kind of over that like 2 to 2.5 cent area, I'll definitely back off that DCA. I see the long-term vision for Casper, guys. You look at some of the developments we've had. We know Connor's around the corner. We know have a lot of upgrades around the corner. And I think they're a really, really excellent blockchain, which I talked about on the last show. If you guys haven't watched it, about Prove AI, a lot of the fundamentals there. So, I know that right now price is very frustrating. When we look at even the breakout that we had in March of this year, Casper popped 30 to 50% in a single day after kind of some of the other coins had gone first. So it always seemingly comes out of nowhere, right? It's always darkest before the storm. So, I want you guys to kind of stay focused on that. We'll take a quick peek at the charts here together, team, just so you can kind of see where my head's at. We actually had a recently decent breakout in here. Some of you guys are looking at today's candle only and you're like, shit, come on guys, what's coming with Casper here? But this might be the part of a breakout after a back test. And this is something we talk about over and over again. If you're a CryptoCharge member, breakout back test probably said to you more than I love you by your spouse. If you look at where we're at currently though, and you see kind of where we found a little bit of support in here. So we built a floor of support in here. So you look at where we were here from August 27, basically all through September, about a month here of building this floor of support. So you have the floor of support down in here, and then we broke higher here. We actually broke over the 50-day here on September 26, saw a little pop higher, found a little resistance here around the local highs from late August as well as early August, and then we had a pullback. Now, one thing that I want you guys to notice here is this 50-day moving average. The last time we had closed any daily candles over the 50-day moving average was actually back in March of this year. So that actually is a good bullish momentum indicator here. Also, when you have 30 days of consolidation and you finally break over here, so on September 25 break, and then that follow through, and you see a back test in here, if this back test holds above like the 1.18, 1.2 region, we're most likely going to make another higher low in here. You look left to right, you can see here, low, higher low, potentially a higher low in here. High, higher high, higher high, right? Now, of course, we want to see that continue, but these are the beginning developments of an uptrend, right? What makes an uptrend? Higher highs and higher lows. What makes a downtrend? Lower lows and lower highs. As of right now, from looking from September 5 forward, we've been making a series of higher highs and higher lows. So again, what do we not want to do? We don't want to see Casper at 4 or 5 cents and be like, damn, now's the time to get back in, right? The momentum's here, the community's here. When you look at even the ROI difference between having a 2.5 to 2 cent average versus a 4.5 to 5 cent average, it's 50% of the reward, right? And it gives you less flexibility where you could potentially TP and do some trims there. So again, no, it's frustrating. Nobody likes to see their stuff in the red, but try to focus on the bigger picture. Try to get locked into the charts and see what's happening here, because I just can't see Casper reaching at least like a 50-cent price mark here and you reaping a massive reward from that, right? Like even if you have a 5-cent average and you're able to sell your Casper at 50 cents, that's a really, really good trade, right? So I want you guys to not ignore this opportunity, because this opportunity will become smaller and smaller and smaller as.
So guys, what do you guys think about the long game with Casper? Some proponents are saying that the long game is the way to go with Casper. Meanwhile, others are saying that they've been DCAing Casper forever and they're still in the red. What do you guys think? Do you still believe in Casper and their long run game with it? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Have you stayed the course? Are you staying the course? Or have you left the field? I would really like your opinions. So anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.